This is Jessica with CutesyCrafts.com. Today I am going to be showing you how to stitch up this mermaid tail hoop. It's a really fun one, and I asked you guys which one you would like to see a stitch along for, and this is the one you chose. I have this pattern framed in a 7-inch embroidery hoop, but I also like to have an 8-inch embroidery hoop to stitch it up, just so that the hoop doesn't get in the way of the stitches on the edges. I've stitched this on white 100% linen fabric. I also like to use a linen cotton blend, and I have a link in the description below that goes to my How to Embroider for Beginners series that talks about the kind of fabric that I like to use. Throughout this stitch along, I'll be cutting in video from my stitch sampler embroidery hoop just to show you the various stitches that I've used. In this pattern, I used a silky kind of shiny thread. It's actually really hard to work with. You can see it's coming apart just as I'm holding it here. So if you're a beginner, I suggest sticking with just a regular floss and just substitute it, find a color that is similar to the ones that I've listed on the pattern. If you are not a beginner, or if you're just feeling adventurous, you're free to try and use the shinier floss, but know that it will be just a little bit more difficult to work with.